Okay, welcome back again with me. My name is Pinan Paspavitab, student with student ID number 12345903030. I'm from the Instrumentation and Automation Engineering study program. In this video, we will discuss use of proximity sensor in pneumatic system. Okay. Next, purpose of the practicum. Number one, understand the working principle of inductive and capacitive proximity sensor in pneumatic system. And number two, apply proximity sensor to control actuator, valve or pistons through PLC. Number three, join practicum student to read, analyze, and design ladder diagrams according to system needs. Okay. Question, what is the fundamental difference between inductive and capacitive proximity sensor? Okay, next. Sensor proximity sensor are sensors that can detect the presence of an object without physical contact. These sensors are widely used in industrial automation to detect position on the number of product or as on no contact limit switches. Next. Commonly used type of proximity and type 1 proximity inductive used to detect the metal object. Working principle, generate a magnetic field. If any metal enters the field, the inductance changes and the sensor emits a signal. Example use, detecting the position of a metal piston on a pneumatic cylinder. And number two, proximity capacitive used to detect both metallic and non-metallic object. Example, wood, plastic, and liquid. Okay, working principle, the sensor form a capacitive field if an object with a different characteristic dielectric contact enters. The capacitance change and the sensor emits a signal. Example use, detected the level of the metal, the material, powder or liquid in the container. Okay, next. Okay, ada VLC. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 ohm. Next, more PLC and pneumatic network installation. Okay. Open CX1 programs. Okay, open. Register. Sorry. Exit. Okay, new file. Device name. Okay, device type CV01. Okay. Okay, and from 0, select a new contact. Click OK. Value 000. Push button off. Push button on. Okay. Next, select new close contact. Zero on. Push button. Oh. Okay. And next, select a new color. Value of W000. Okay. System. Okay, next. Okay, and select new contact. Okay, W000. Enter. Select new account. Okay. Okay, next step in room 1. Ini room 0 and next room 1. Select a new contact. W00000. Okay, system. 002. Okay, label sensor proximity. Okay, select color W001. Sensor. And next, in room 2, select a new contact. Player 0023. Sorry, to sensor proximity. 3 switch timer. Okay. Okay, W0000. Next one, W001. Okay, select new close contact. And T0000. Okay. Next one, timer. And coil W002. Okay, select new close contacts in room 2. W002. Timer. Okay, select the horizontal 1, 2, 3, and select new PLC instruction. To item 000 step 50. Next timer. Okay, and next step in room 3, select a new contact. 0 0 4 switch counter CMP. Oke. W00 next, and W001 create sensor. Okay, horizontal, and then impulse interruption counter CNC 0000 and hashtag 1 or 1 instruction. Okay, counter in row 3, select a new contact and line 2 in the row 3. Okay, C0000 contact. Okay, and T0001 oh, sorry, label delete. Sorry, new vertical. Okay, next T0001 next timer counter and some new horizontal. Sorry, one. Okay, okay. Okay, next select the contact in the room 3 line 3. Okay, sorry, 1 4 in line 4. C00 safety. Okay, horizontal and new pulse instruction 0001 hashtag 50. Okay, next in row 3 select a coil W003. Okay, last step, select the contact, click in room 4. Oh, sorry, cancel room 4. Nah, 002. Select a new course. B003. File introduction 100 07. Oh, wow. Okay. Running rocks simulator. Okay. Okay. 0 when PV on is pressed, system turn on, and when PV off is pressed, system turn off. This role act as the main system control or master or on or master off. Okay. Other one. Okay. Tip. Okay, in room 1, when the system is on and the proximity sensor detector an object, coil or W001 is used as a signal that the sensor has detected something. Okay. Proximity variable or detect object. Okay. If room 2, when switch timer system and out sensor are on, timer T 000 or timer start counting. Okay. Anyone? Okay, start. Okay, timer is running. Okay, next room 3, when switch counter. Okay. When switch counter system and out sensor are on, counter or CNT or C000 count how many times the sensor is triggered. The counter reset 1, so after one detecting, the timer CNT counter start. Okay, one set. Okay, for uh, the valve turn on, the system is on, and either timer uh, or counter is active. The parallel logic keeps the valve on as long as one of the is on. So the valve will open after timer is counter. Okay. Set. Okay. One. Start. Okay. Sorry. Switch counter. Okay. System is run. Okay. 1 sec. 5 second. Counter. Okay. Okay, that's all I can say. I'm sorry if there are any mistake or wrong words. And see you guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.